Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually delete your Snapchat account. It's very easy. I want you to pay attention, okay? It's not easy simply because they didn't make it easy, but I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna make it easy. Let's launch the Snapchat app first. When you're at your account, I want you to first of all click on the upper right corner on the gear icon, okay? Hit the gear icon. This will launch the settings menu on your Snapchat. Now I want you to scroll slowly all the way to the bottom. This is where you're gonna find account actions, the last option over here. Click on delete account. You see this option, right? Second to the last, delete account. When you click on delete account, you will have an option to input your username, your password, or your phone number instead, whatever option you choose. Then you click next. Then you have to click delete or deactivate your account. This is the new update for 2024. So in this case, you will have up to 30 days if you change your mind to go back and recover your account. This is very important, guys. Once this 30-day period expires, you cannot get your account back anymore. But this is how you delete your Snapchat account. Very easy, very simple, with just 3 clicks over here, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.